Hi, today we will get to know this large farm with 28 hectares and a house in Vale de Prazeres, Fundão, Portugal. Located on the slopes of Serra da Gardunha, this property consists of two articles, one rustic and one urban. The house was built in granite 1 meter thick. Dating back to 1951, it is habitable and needs some renovations. The ground floor has a complete bathroom, kitchen with fireplace, and a large living room that can also be used as a bedroom for people with reduced mobility, for example. On the first floor, we have a dining room, living room, and 2 bedrooms. It also has a division in which one more bathroom can be made. It has electricity and well water. In its beautiful exterior, it has a warehouse with a wood-burning oven and storage, a shelter for animals, and a shed for cheese production. It also has a milk room, chicken coops, and a pigsty. All fenced, it also has 3 large dams, all of them with source. Watering is done by gravity. There are also 2 wells, 1 hole, and 1 mine. There is plenty of water on the property all year round. It has 5 hectares of olive groves, in which there are 700 centenary olive trees that produce around 20 tons of olives a year, 8% of which are Galician and the rest Cordeville. Olives are excellent for canning and, in the production of oil, they have a maximum acidity of 0.5%. It also has fig, orange, lemon, and cherry trees for personal consumption. On the other side of the road, the property has an area of pine, cork, and oak trees. Fertile land for cultivation of any kind of vegetables or trees. Tarmac access to the door. Market and cafe 500 meters away. 40 minutes from Castelo Branco and just 10 minutes from the A23 road. Take advantage of this opportunity and book your visit now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you soon!